Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial I cover how you can create customer user. So let's get started and work on this tutorial. And also if you are new to channel, please subscribe our channel and please like the video. And also you can support me on Patreon. Now let's get started. So first back to VS Code. Open your app. Open admin_urls.py. After that, just copy the staff user code of URLs, paste it, change it to customer user. After that, select all staff. So customer, create, change it to capitalize, and here staff to customer. Customer update. Save the file. After that, come to admin views and just copy the code of staff user create, update, and list view. So copy it, paste it. After that, here list view, select all the staff user, selecting all the staff user. Now after that, let's check our model name. So open models.py and it is our customer user. So copy it and paste it. After that, let's import customer user. So import customer user from models. You can see from e-commerce app.models import customer user. After that, first let's check list view. Customer list. It is perfect. Customer user list view, create view, profile pic, customer user created. After that, here change it to small letters. So customer user. In create view, you need to change it to small letters, small case. After that, change the variable name to small. Customer user. Also change it to small letters, and small letters. Customer user updated. Customer underscore list. Customer underscore update. Customer underscore list. Customer underscore create. Save this file. Let's create the template file. So copy the customer underscore list. So open templates, right click in admin templates, new file, customer list.html, and copy the staff list code and paste it. After that, selecting staff and change it to customer. After that, customer and everything is perfect, I think. So save this file. Let's create a new file, customer create.html. Copy the merchant create code, copy it, customer create, paste it, select merchant, customer, 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 customer. After that, okay, here instead of copying merchant create, just copy the staff create. So staff create, copy the code, close it, paste it, and select staff, change it to customer, 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 and save customer, customer, user. Save this file. After that, let's create customer update.html. So this time again copy the code of staff update, copy it, paste in customer update, change it to select staff, select all the staff and change it to customer. So first using lowercase because all the variables are in lowercase. Then I am changing some special text to uppercase. You can see mostly are in lowercase. You can see. After that, save customer user, customer user. Save this file. After that, let's check it's working or not. So first let's link with sidebar. So copy it, paste it, customer user. After that, select all this stuff, customer. Now it is done. Only change the title. So customer user, add customer user, and here customer user list. Save this file. Let's check it's working or not. So back to Chrome, refresh page and click on customer user, add customer user, and you can see it is asking option for customer user. So let's try to add some customers. So customer 1, last name customer1@gmail.com, customer 1 password, customer 1 profile pic. So set in the profile pic, select it, save customer user, and it is showing customer user has no customer user. So let's see line number customer user dot customer user. So let's see what is the problem. Line number 565. User dot customer user. So let's see what is the model name actually, because it is work with model. So it is customer user, and if we check, okay, I got the problem. The problem is user type. So in user type 2 it is not customer user. So we need to use, let's see what is the user type of customer. which is 4. So that is the problem. If we don't select correct user type, it will not work. Now save this file. Again come to back, refresh page, and I think it is added in staff user. You can see it has been added in staff user. So that is the problem. We need to delete this data manually because one data inserted but other not inserted. So delete this data, browse table, customer 1, delete this data, write changes, after that Chrome, staff user list, and still it is showing. So I think the problem is here in merchant user 2. So merchant user, browse table, okay, not merchant user, it is staff user. You can see it is showing empty data. Delete this record, delete it, write changes, and also open custom user, browse table, and it's deleted. Refresh page and you can see it has been gone. Let's work on custom user, customer user, add customer, customer 1, customer last name, customer 1, customer 1, customer 1. Okay, I didn't select the profile pic. So customer 1, select the profile image, and I think there is a problem again. Refresh page, it again inserted. So delete the record, write changes. You can also add validation for better understanding. I didn't add some validation, but I will add in future topics. Delete this record first, write changes, custom user, browse table. So it has been done. After that, customer 1, select the file, select it, click on save customer user, and you can see customer user has been created. So in this way you can add customer user, and if I try to edit, update, it get updated. So it is working perfect. So I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Please like our video and please subscribe our channel. And also if you have any questions, please do comment, and also you can support me on Patreon.